name is Carol. I live in Arlington. We had a water leak. When I looked on the phone, that was the first thing that popped up, and I called them. They got all the water off of the floor. They put fans everywhere to dry it out, and they have been here every day to check the fans and make sure they're working. Everyone was helpful, very friendly, had suggestions, and told us exactly what we needed to look for. Actually, I just found them when I went online to find somebody to do the work.